Hey, quick question. I have an outdoor little cooker. It's a turkey fryer, high temp. It's black. Is there a high temperature metal paint that I can get?
Yeah, there's a quart of it, black.
That's what I need. Flat black.
I don't know if it's flat, but I know it's black. I imagine it's gonna be pretty dull.
Okay.
Because
All
the
right.
duller it is, the
And that's high
stronger it'll
temp.
be. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon-to-be #1 YouTube host. All right, family. Right here, we got a couple of tools. We got the old Big Easy, and as promised a couple of weeks ago, we're gonna see can we get this old girl a facelift. I got my safety glasses on. I got my mask for the dust, and we're gonna see can we knock some of the. We're gonna see can we put some lipstick on this old pig. So we're gonna see can we get her all cleaned up, put a little black paint on it, and we're gonna try to put the black paint from this line down, because I think that's where it takes most of the heat at. That's where most of the flaking is happening. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna knock this old paint off and see what we come up with. We'll be with Fitz. Tell the people howdy. Fitz says hello, everybody. All right, fam, and we're not even cooking today. All right, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, family. After about an hour of sanding and wiping down with alcohol, this is what we got left. And as you can see right here, I ran into a little surprise. We got a little hole that rusted through right here in this area. No big deal. We might lose a little heat through that, but I doubt it because we have that inside ring. So I doubt we lose any heat there. I could put a piece of sheet metal over that or whatever, patch it up with some rivets, but it isn't really that serious. We're basically just having fun. We're trying to breathe a little bit of life back into an old friend, not trying to make this thing last another 4 or 5 years. I've already gotten like 6 years of service out of this old girl, and like we said, we're just trying to breathe a little bit of life back into an old friend. All right, family, I'm gonna finish wiping this thing down. We're gonna pull out our 1,000-degree paint, and we're gonna go ahead and roll on a little light coat right here at the bottom and see what we come up with. So for right now, we're gonna drop the camera. We're gonna roll that paint on, and we're gonna go for a big reveal and see how she looks when we get finished. All right, family, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, YouTube family, here we are, the moment we've all waited for, the moment of truth. Are y'all ready to see the belle of the ball, the queen, the best looking girl on the block? All right, y'all close your eyes. Close your eyes. All right, you got your eyes closed? Got your eyes closed? Ta-da! There she is, family. All right, it may not be the prettiest thing on the block, but boy, is that a vast improvement over what we had. And there's what's responsible for it. It's Krylon High Heat Max. Premium color and finish protection up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. For grills, fire pits, and more. Dries in 10 minutes. Black. Interior and exterior. I tightened up all the screws. I lost that one screw that goes right there, so I found one in my shed. I put a little Pam cooking spray on the top to match, and I only painted the bottom, family, because you know our motto. We don't want to go against the family code here, this and that. We're cheap and we're lazy. We'll get it done, but we get it done the easiest way possible. So the bottom part, and that tells us one thing about the Big Easy. The bottom part takes most of the heat. So you can see that, because from here down is where the discoloration, the paint, we start to lose paint. We start to get a little rust spot. And that was the rust spot right there where it rusted, actually rusted through. But family, I believe with what we've done here today, we can get another 2 years, 3 years out of this Big Easy with no problem. I could easily gone to the store, paid 80, 90, whatever, $100 for a new one. Why? What's the fun in that? So now we've all learned something. So the next lesson it will be when we cook on this thing. I'm gonna let this finish completely drying for a couple of days. I think it's scheduled to rain here Wednesday, but I put it on the back deck. We'll probably maybe even do one more coat. We'll finish this thing up and we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna put some heat to it and see if this 1,000 degree paint holds. And for how long will it hold? And that if you have a Big Easy that you want to recover, that you want to salvage, this may be your first step. You see what we did? We sanded, we wiped it down with alcohol. I could have used paint thinner. Wiped it down with alcohol, boom. And here we are, family. Look at that girl. The belle of the ball. Now, I wouldn't be ashamed to take her out in public. Yeah, girl. Woo-hoo. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, you know what to do. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.